First, you will need a pencil. Then you draw just like that, but I'm pretty bad at drawing, so don't make fun of me, please. And then draw a triangle, just like that. I'm a lefty. Like this, and then that. Then that. Just that. Dad's looking from that was still from an edge. And then add a little door. Chimney. Smoke. And windows. This is a 3-story house. Sorry for the sound noises. But brothers are playing. So this, that, and that, and then all. Do you think we're missing anything? Yes, we are. Flower. Sorry, my flowers look like broccoli. All right, there. Now we need a beautiful. I'm not writing with neatest right now because I'm using one hand, which I usually write with 2 hands. Oh my gosh! So I usually use my other hand to hold the paper down, but since I'm holding the camera, I can't do that. So now we do this. And this. And this. Alright, now for the coloring. I will grab that. Do you mind if I hold it right there? You'll need green and red and Sharpie. First, I'm going to do Sharpie. I'm going to speed it up for you. This isn't a really good marker. Oh my gosh, I'm terrible. I know you could write better than that probably. Obviously. You're good. Probably. especially you artists. I want to be a YouTuber, artist, which I already am a YouTuber. I was a YouTuber for my birthday. I got a channel. I got my channel for my birthday. I was pretty happy. I love watching other people. I know I'm a bad YouTuber. My dad's good. While you're coloring in Sharpie. Yeah, wait, shh. Alright. And chimney and alright. Now color it however you like. I'm gonna color the roof green. I like green. Brothers. For the moment of Ruth. Ta-da! Got my crazy glasses. This is it. This is Scream Brother Blaze, and peace out.